Hello guys, this is Praveen and you're watching Cypro Tech. I have a box from Flipkart. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing of Realme 2 phone from OPPO. Let me cut the packing. Inside the box we have the main box. This is the invoice. Let me keep this aside. Let me take the main box out. You can say it says 2 on the box. Let me take out the bubble wrap. This is the main box guys, and you can see the number 2 in the big font and the Realme 2 branding at the bottom of the box. Let me cut the seal. These are the manuals, and we get with the box and a transparent cover. Let me keep the papers aside. We also get one SIM card tray ejector tool with the phone. Let me keep the back cover aside and also the phone for some time. Let's see what all we have in the box. We have a USB cable, USB to micro USB. Let me take out the seal. The length of the cable is decent, not so big, not so small. We got the charger. It's a 2-pin charger and an output of 5 volts. Let me keep the charger and the cable aside as we do not need it right now. Let me close the box and keep it aside. This is a protective cover for the phone. Let me remove it. At the top we don't have any ports. At one side we have one power button. At the bottom we have a 3.5mm port, a mic, a micro USB port and speaker for the phone. At the other side we have volume rockers and a port for SIM cards. At the back we have a diamond finish polycarbonate body. Let's turn on the device now. We get to see Realme branding, and at the bottom it says powered by Android. Let me bring it little closer for the camera. Once the device gets booted, it prompts to select the preferred language. Let me select English and click on continue. Let me select my Wi-Fi network and provide the password. Let me check the privacy settings and click on continue. The device is now checking for the information. It's asking for my Gmail account information so that I can sign in. Let me give my Gmail address and password. Let me update the passcode and again verify the same so that the face recognition becomes active. Let me also add fingerprint to the device. The device captured my fingerprints and it's done now. Now let's see the face recognition. Even the face recognition is done now. No software updates and I do not want to import anything as of now. So let me select set as new Realme profile and click on continue. It says welcome, start your wonderful color OS journey. When we are on the main screen guys, you can see the notch screen which looks very clear and bright. Let me go to the settings and scroll down. We get to see about phone. Let me click on that. Show you the Android version that we have on the phone. The phone comes with the latest Oreo 8.1 Android version. You can see here the lock getting open with the face detection, which is one of the coolest features that we get to see. Let's test the camera now. Let me take a picture indoor. Let me take a video. And this is the sample video clipping. The front camera also looks very decent for selfies as it comes with 8 megapixel. And these are the sample pictures that I have taken outside. Let me open the SIM tray and show you guys. Here we get 3 slots, 2 for the Nano SIM and 1 for the MicroSD card. Let me put it back. Phone comes with a tempered glass, and let me put the free cover that we got with the phone and see how does it look like. The quality of the cover is very good. Let me give the specs for the Realme 2 phone from OPPO. We get the latest 8.1 version Android, Qualcomm STM450 Snapdragon 450 chipset, Octa-Core 1.8 GHz Cortex-A53 CPU, Adreno 506 GPU. We get 2 variants for the RAM, one is the 3GB and one is the 4GB. We get 3GB and 4GB RAM variants and inbuilt memory of 32GB and 64GB. 3GB RAM is for the 32GB inbuilt memory that we get, and 4GB is for the 64GB. And we get to see 6.2-inch screen. And talking about the slots, we get 3 slots, 2 for the Nano SIMs and 1 for the microSD card. And talking about the camera, we get 13 plus 2 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. Battery capacity is 4230 milliamp lithium ion battery. And talking about the sensors, we get fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity and compass. And talking about the colors, we get 3 variants. One is a diamond black, diamond red and diamond blue. The one that I have with me right now is a diamond blue. The verdict of the phone is value for the money. That's it guys for now, and if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and also please share with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys for watching.